You ever notice how Cebuanos and Canadians have completely different views on work-life balance? It's like comparing a Carabao to a therapy dog. In Cebu, we believe in Trabaho lang USA, pahuway, work first, no rest. Rest is for the weak. My uncle once worked 12-hour shifts, got hit by a hobble, stood up and said, "Walarani, overtime piata. No big deal, let's do overtime." But in Canada, oh buddy. Here they have something magical called a mental health day. The first time I heard it, I thought it was a terminal illness. Uy, si Brad wala na sa trabaho kay nag mental health day. Brad didn't come to work because of a mental health day. I was like, hala, kagrabe, magpamisa na ta? Oh no, should we arrange a prayer service? Then I found out it just means they're tired. That's it. Stressed from work. Need a break. In Cebu, if you tell your boss, kapoy na kayo ko, I'm really tired, they will respond, "O kanindot, na kay duha ka trabaho." Oh wow, lucky you. Do you have 2 jobs? And don't even get me started on sick leave. In Cebu, we don't use sick leave unless we're literally in the ICU. My cousin had dengue, still went to work and used his lunch break to get dextrose. But in Canada, I saw a guy take a sick day because his throat felt weird. If a Cebuano called in sick for that, the boss would say, "Inom og tubig, pagsud og trabaho." Drink water, go to work. Honestly, I think Cebuanos and Canadians should switch for 1 week. Cebuanos need a break, and Canadians need to experience working through typhoon-level exhaustion. Let's see who survives.